Hey everyone, welcome back. It's cook day in the BOSH kitchen. So Kathy and Ian are busy. Well, what are you doing?
It's a secret.
It's a secret. They're cooking. That's what these videos are going to be coming on BOSH soon. So what we thought is we go back in time to the most crazy bonkers chef I think we've ever met. This guy was called Adam and he worked at Cinnamon Snail in New York. Remember that, Ian?
I do remember that. That was amazing. It was at Madison Square Garden, the home of the New York Knicks. The food was absolutely delightful. I seem to remember having a Christmas sandwich which was to die for.
That guy loved his like over-the-top hot dogs, burgers, donuts. We got a lot of inspiration from him, mainly just because he's a crazy character, but also he comes up with some crazy dishes. So check this out. Oh yes, and I forgot to say, do let us know your thoughts in the comments down below. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and hit like, because we make vegan food for you every single day. Boom! Okay, so here we are. We're at Cinnamon Snail. I think this is Madison Square Garden, but it's definitely New York.
Yeah, it's breakfast time, so hopefully they have a traditional New York breakfast for us to tuck into.
I've definitely seen donuts.
Fingers crossed.
And the guy, Adam, seemed like a legend, so I'm sure he's going to fill us full of good treats.
Thank you for making the time.
No problem.
It's Ian. Nice to meet you, man.
Ian?
Yeah.
Hi.
And this is MJ and everyone else. So here we are at the Cinnamon Snail in Madison Square Garden.
The owner, Adam, has just brought out 3 boxes of donuts for Henry and I to eat for breakfast, which frankly is mental.
This is a public service announcement. Get yourself a copy of this book. It's BOSH, How to Live Vegan. Tips and tricks to help you save the planet and feel amazing and really nail eating vegan. The link's in the bio. Go grab a copy.
Box number 1.
You know, you'd think 3 boxes like this would be okay. However, the second box looks like this.
Yeah.
This is their signature Cinnamon Snail.
And they're not small, are they really?
Big donuts. And the third box contains 5 donuts. Woo! And here is Adam. Adam, you absolute legend.
Jesus, this
Look
looks
at
amazing.
this.
All right.
You hear it?
What do we have here?
These are kimchi tater tots, homemade gochujang, which is like Korean chili paste, scallions. This is a Beast Mode Burger Deluxe, which has a bourbon barbecue grilled ancho chili seitan burger and jalapeno mac and cheese.
Wow.
Because, you know, why not? This here's our Thanksgiving sandu, which is porcini mushroom simmered seitan, parsnip sage bread pudding, cranberry orange relish, marinated kale, roasted garlic aioli on a grilled baguette. It's like a whole entree.
It smells amazing.
As a sandwich. And this is kind of ridiculous. It's a smoked sage seitan burger that has smoked sage sausage baked ziti on it.
Did you develop the menu yourself?
No, I stole all the recipes. I Will Smith like go up to the alien mega ship and he like downloaded the recipe like right from the server. He like hacked into the mainframe and then we keep him locked in the kitchen making this recipe.
That was Adam from Cinnamon Snail. He's quite a character, but you know what? The man makes impressive looking food. He told us it comes down from the aliens and into his brain. So let's see about this alien brain food. First up, we've got the Beast Mode Burger Deluxe. It's an ancho chili seitan burger, grilled in maple hickory barbecue sauce with jalapeno mac and cheese, arugula, which we may also know by another name, aka Rocket, smoked chili coconut bacon, and chipotle mayo. It's gonna be a messy one. Wow. Woo. That burger has a real kick to it. It's fiery. He's not messing when he says jalapenos. I can still feel the jalapeno devilishly messing around at the back of my throat. It's a tasty burger. I love the fact we have some mac and cheese in there. Good burger. Next giving is his Thanksgiving sandwich. I'm thinking of Friends and the Moist Maker.
She puts an extra slice of gravy-soaked bread in the middle. I call it the Moist Maker.
We've got all of that goodness in there. You've got what looks like stuffing, you've got cranberry, all on a bed of marinated kale. There's a fly trying to get on it. I have a feeling this is going to taste really good, so I'm going in. Wow. The star ingredient here is porcini mushroom seitan, and that porcini mushroom flavour is really good. Ties in all of the roast goodness all together. It's a messy sandwich, I'm not going to lie, so you want to bring a bib if you're going to eat this. But it's quick, fast junk food at its best.
I've got the smoked sage seitan burger, and this burger looks pretty special. This is a big meaty burger. It's topped with sage seitan, sausage baked ziti, marinated kale, smoked chili coconut bacon, and roasted garlic aioli, all on a grilled pretzel bun. So, now for the taste test. Oh my god, wow. We came to America to experience incredible American food. This is incredible American food. Like, you just can't find a burger like this anywhere in London, and believe me, we've eaten most of them. I'm about to taste one of the Cinnamon Snail's famous sides. These are kimchi tater tots. Now, tater tots aren't massive in the UK, but when I've had them in the past, I've really enjoyed them, so this is going to be a treat. Wow, so you got the kick from sriracha, you got like a nice vegan mayonnaise, the potatoes are really crunchy, the kimchi's really spicy. This is a really nice side, a lot better than a portion of fries. Very tasty.
All in all, Cinnamon Snail in Madison Square Garden gets a thumbs up from me.
It gets a 2 thumbs up from me. This is bloody fantastic food. If you're gonna go watch the basketball at Madison Square Garden, come here afterwards for a wind down meal. Boom.